Hello, hello, it's Emma Holmes coming in from Rockstar HQ. And one of the things that I get asked almost all of the time is how do you download your videos from Facebook? Your Facebook Lives, how do you download them and be able to use them and keep them and use them again and again and again? So I'm going to show you today. So here is a super quick video that is going to show you how you can download a video from your Facebook page. So if you've done a live stream or if you've put a video onto your Facebook page and suddenly you've gone, actually, I haven't got a copy of that. How can I use it again? What can I do with it? Then what you need to do is you need to go to your page and you need to click on the time that you put it out there. So I can click on that time there. It will bring up the video in full screen. Hello. Once it's in full screen, I can go over here and I can just click on these three little dots and then download video. It is absolutely that easy, and the video will start to download and will be in your downloads. If I'm looking at a video that I did maybe a little while ago, I can go to my videos tab on my page. I can have a look at some of the videos that I did. And again, I can click on it.
Hello, gorgeous Rockstars. Happy Tuesday.
And it'll open it straight up like that. And I can download the video straight away in there, and it'll allow me that opportunity to make sure that I can keep that video. I can take it over and upload it to YouTube. I can use it again on my Facebook page. However I want to use it, it is then available for me to reuse away from the Facebook platform. So that is how you download a video from Facebook to use elsewhere. Speak soon. Bye. I hope you like this video. If you do, then please do hit the like button, leave me a comment, and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. If you want some more help and advice in relation to your social media, then you can get the big ass social media bundle right now for free over on the Rebels and Rockstars website, and I will pop a link into the description below. Speak soon. Bye.